Access control in Java. Access control in Java determines what parts of program can be accessed and manipulated by which parts of the program. It is used to restrict or allow access to certain parts of a Java program, such as classes, methods, and variables. Access control determines which classes and objects can access specific codes or data within a program. By controlling access to different parts of the program, access control promotes code encapsulation and information hiding and reduces the errors and security vulnerabilities in the program. Access control in Java can be implemented by using access control modifiers, which are keywords placed before the declaration of a class member. We have 4 types present in access specifiers. They are default, public, private, and protected. Default means there is no access specifiers for declaring class members. They are only accessible within the package and not accessible from the outside of the package. When we declare a class member as public, they are accessible from outside the class. Private, they are only accessible within the class and are accessible from the outside of the class. Protected means they are accessible by any class within the same package or by any subclasses of the parent class, regardless of whether the subclass is in the same package or a different package. Following is the example program for access control. Access is the class declaring the variables a, b, c of values 10, 5, 20 respectively with the different access controls, public, default, and private, giving the private method c of type int and returning its value, calling the access method and printing its value as a1.m, a1.b, and a1.c.